It's so cold outside, there's almost no humidity in the air. It just dries everything out. Oh, my mouth and lips are so dry. People who aren't used to it will often get nosebleeds and really bad chapped lips. Got my dough from yesterday. Ooh, smells great. Got some blueberry pie filling we're gonna put on our bread. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. This is my reward for dealing with the chainsaw and coming back. All right. Ice fishing was a bit of a bust. Didn't get a single bite, but I'm not even sure there are any fish in this lake. I was planning on camping on a nearby lake where I know there's fish, but after the sled got stuck all those times, I just, grabbed the nearest lake and camped on it. Oh, pretty day. It is minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit.